You don't need a green thumb to have a garden. Right now, all you need is food and water. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Kathy, and this is my happy garden. Winter has arrived. The days are shorter, the nights are longer. Most of our plants have died down, are in dormancy, or have gone to seed. Not to mention, it is cold outside. You may even have snow in your neck of the woods. However, despite these conditions, there is still something you can do in January to help get your garden off to a great start in spring. Feed your wildlife. Your birds, along with other critters, have been grazing on those leftover seed heads since the fall. So by now, there's probably very little to nothing left, and we have months to go before our gardens start producing new ones. Bird seed, suet cakes, critter food, even leftover pumpkins from your outdoor Halloween and fall decorations are some inexpensive items you can use to feed your wildlife. In addition to food, every living thing needs water for survival. You don't need a fancy bird bath or a pond. A simple, shallow bowl of water is all you need. Here, all I'm using is a large saucer from a terracotta pot that broke last summer. Keeping your feeders full and providing fresh water will make your wildlife thrive, which, in turn, makes for a happy garden. Until my next tip in February, stay warm, everyone.